Model 2015 Vauxhall Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2900115 Cdti L2H1 long wheelbase, Euro 5 needs a turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 149579. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, nice AC job for someone. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 4 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111